Welcome back, and y'all already know the intro. Y'all, I said a billion times, I don't want to keep boring y'all with the same intro, but we're back with another tutorial, y'all. Hey, we're back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is going to be on this bomb look. I always call my looks bomb because they always bomb. I need to get into the creative juices, okay? My creative juices seem like they are dying or something. Like, I always think of the same color combinations. Like, I can't never think of nothing different right now. Like, I don't know what's going on. This is the look today, and I really love how it came out, y'all. It's so pretty, and I hope y'all love it too. Let's get right into this video because I know y'all want to see it. Let's go. Today is a very interesting look. I'm going to start out by applying Too Faced lip injection on my lip, and then move ahead to Plouise BASE number 4 and apply this on my lid. Now I'm going into the Genrock No Limitation palette, and I'm going to grab Dessa as my first shade. I'm going to stipple this on my outer V area with a flat brush. Went along, I'm going into that same No Limitation palette, and I'm going to grab Nancy and put this right on top of Dessa, which is the first shade we applied. Now these shades were supposed to look just how I applied it on my hand, but they end up mixing to where the Dessa looked like a purple, and the second shade, which is Nancy, was a burgundy, which was true, and then this shade was supposed to be like a warm brownie orange, and it wasn't. And that is out of the Tahati palette from Bperfect from Stacey Marie, and I'm applying that on the lid as my last transition shade. I'm going back into each transition shade and blending it to perfection, y'all. And after that, I'm going to take my makeup remover and I'm going to take some cotton swab and cut my crease out. Now I'm taking my Beatsbydeb liners and I'm cutting my crease or lining my crease area with this blue liner. So after outlining, this is where it comes in for me to cut the crease. Now I messed up. You see it's messing up right there, but I fixed it because I didn't actually take off all the makeup remover so that it can actually stick to the lid. So make sure you wipe off any Vaseline, any makeup remover before you apply the base down. Now I'm taking some cotton swabs and blending out the edges so that I can apply and close the cut crease in. I'm taking Nancy right now on the same brush that I used for my second transition on there so that it could be like a ombre effect. Now I'm going into the shade, what is this? I don't know how to say it, but it's a yellow shade out of the No Limitation palette, and I'm putting this all over the lid. And then I'm going to take this orange out of the Tahati palette. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to close that in as well and put that in the outer V area close to Nancy, fading it into the yellow. Going in with an all-time favorite liner. This is from Wet n Wild, the black one, and I'm going to easily just make this bold liner. I love bold liners. I don't know, I can't do a small. It's just not in me to do a small one. I'm now going to take Chai from Too Faced. This is a multi-sculpting concealer, so you can use it any way for foundation, concealing, and I'm just basically using this as to correct my spots. Now I can't wait till my spots go away. It's just like, I mean, look, that spot right there, it just needs to go quick. But yeah, I'm just correcting my spots before I apply my foundation. Now I've been loving this foundation that I'm about to show you in a second. Where is that? Oh, it's coming. It's coming right here. Okay, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me. I use mocha and I use warm coconut to put on this foundation. And I also been loving this L'Oreal concealer as well. And then I used my other Too Faced concealer. So the first one was Spice Rum and that one was Chai. Sorry. And then I used ColourPop's foundation stick in the shade will be in the description right below. So basically my face routine, it's the same thing that I do, maybe just using different products. The face is always going to be the same. It's not going to be any difference about the face. And then I went ahead and took Laura Mercier Honey and put this on the areas that I highlighted. Alright, getting into this under eye, I am going to take my Plouise times MMMitchell and these are the Acid Region Rain Bases. I think that's how you say it. And I took Limelight and Escape, y'all. So I took Limelight and put it in my waterline, and I took Escape to kind of fade it out to apply this blue that I was going to apply in the Carnival palette, the Love Tahiti palette. And that blue was called The Deep. And I applied that on my lower lash line. So right here I applied The Deep and I applied Pink Lily onto my lower lash line, and it gave it a pop, y'all. I really love this color combination underneath on the lower lash line. After wiping everything off, I did go ahead and take Morphe bronzer in the shade Leader. You can put this on before you actually cut your cheeks, but I was like, you know what, I forgot it, so I didn't do that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to OD on this blush, y'all. This is the Juvia's Place blush. I'll leave it in the description right below. I took the pink and the orange, but it's okay that I OD because right here it's going to melt into my skin, and then when I put the highlight over it, you're still going to see the blush. You know how sometimes you apply blush and it goes away? Look at my daughter, she always just comes in and asking questions. But y'all, I'm taking my Hot Cocoa liner from NYX or Nicka K. I don't know, I forget. See, you just don't know everything. You just look at it and be like, okay, yeah, I think I know this, until you actually go get the products and put in the description right below. And then I took Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked and put this on my lips. And then I took this promo lip gloss in the shade Shea Butter, and it was actually really pretty. Then I went in with some highlighter from Jaclyn Hill, y'all, and that was it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the outro. Thank y'all guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that y'all liked this look. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and catch your girl in the next lit tutorial.